Hi, so I just received a parcel and I believe this is the shoe that we are waiting for. So as you can see, it's still sealed. So this will be my first time also to check what's inside the box. But I believe this is the shoe that we purchased during the NBA All-Star last February 13. So it's been over a week now since we got that purchase. So, yun, kararating lang and let's open the box and look what's inside and discover what's inside this box. So, be careful with the sharp object. So, then open na siya and let's look what's inside. So, as you can see, it's a Kobe shoes. So, it's a special release for Nike for the All-Star weekend. Kasi as you can see, the All-Star weekend last February 13 was in Los Angeles, California again. So, it's a return. Hence, the shoes. So, as you can see, this is a black box with scales and Kobe's signature. Yes, this is the Kobe 6 Pro Throw Hollywood All-Star, also known as the Hollywood 3D, also known as the All-Star 3D. And bala na kayo kung anong gusto nyong pangalan. But this is the Nike Kobe 6 Pro Throw Hollywood All-Star. So let's look inside. So this is also my first time to see what's inside of this box. And sabay-sabay tayong tignan anong nasa loob. So, let's open the lid. Wow! It has a very detailed Mamba logo paper. So, imprint siya. Anyway, the box now compared to the recent or the past Kobe releases, mas detailed na. It has a more detailed box with pronounced scales. So as you can see, Kobe is the Black Mamba. So it's just but proper to have yung ganitong design, the design of the Black Mamba with scales kasi snake siya. And fortunately, I was born in the year of the snakes. So hence, I'm also a fan. So anyway, going back to the content inside the box. So compared to the other releases, I think this has more details like this paper with imprint of snake scales and the logo of the Black Mamba. Ang ganda. And double wrap siya with this paper. And yeah, this is it. Look, this is the Nike Kobe 6 Pro Throw. Wow! Ganda. This is the other pair. Fun fact, this is my first Kobe 6 Pro Throw pair. A little bit of a story. Napakailap ng Kobe 6 sa akin because I've been trying to get one because I only pay retail for my shoes. Kung hindi man siya sale, I only pay retail. I do not buy a resale price. That's the reason why I always join raffles, opportunity to buy retail prices of the Kobe. So pag hindi na siya retail price, hindi na ako bumibili. So fortunately this time, this All-Star weekend, I was able to cop one from sneaker app by Nike, of course. My first attempt to join or to get this one was way back in 2018, I believe, during the release of the Kobe 6 Pro to Grinch. I believe that was 2018. Somewhere, the Grinch one, yung before mag-Christmas. And I thought, nakuha ko na siya. Then I was able to check it out and then paid for it. And then suddenly I received an email saying na my entry was invalid. So ayun, I got disappointed. Since then, I've been trying my best to join raffles for me to cop or to get or to buy Kobe 6 Pro Throw. Last year, I was able to join yung All-Star din, yung Kobe 6 Pro Throw All-Star Sale Colorway. Yung instead of scales, ang nakalagay mga stars. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to get it again. But this time, fortunately, I was able to get one, the Kobe 6 Pro Throw Hollywood All-Star, or also known as the Hollywood 3D or Hollywood All-Star 3D or All-Star 3D. Ang daming pangalan, no? Because it has if you can see, it has a 3D effect. Because if you can remember, the Kobe 6 was released, I believe, uh, 2011, I believe. Yeah. And uso noon yung mga 3D effect from the films, from the cinema, yung yung may sinusuot kang 3D glass with blue and red filters for you to recognize the 3D effect. So they brought it back again with this model. It has a 3D effect. So as you can see, it has a red and blue color from the heel counter to the forefoot. So this one, it has a mismatching colorway. The left shoe, the inner swoosh has a blue color, blue swoosh, and the outer swoosh is red color, and the heel counter is red. So yung right shoe naman, the inner swoosh is red, and the outer shoes is blue, and the heel counter is blue. So mismatches siya to give the effect of the 3D. And I believe meron tong glasses. Hanapin natin. Kasi yung mga media pack, yung mga nagkaroon ng unang mga pair, they have the 3D glasses. Oops! Yes! This is what I'm talking about. The 3D glass. Mm-mm, uh, in During the first time it was released, these shoes, it has the effect of, I mean, they are mimicking or ginagaya nila yung mga 3D effect, and this is the glass. So this pair, even though kahit na general release siya, it has or it comes with a 3D glass. So subukan nga natin kung may 3D effect talaga siya. Ayun, meron nga, para siyang it has a floating effect if you will look through the 3D glass. Yan siya. Uh, it's kind of gimmick though, um, but it's kind of like the reminiscing of the past, like the reminiscing of the legacy of Kobe and the gimmick Nike did during the release of this. But even though kahit ano siya, kahit hindi siya, kahit all-star ito, all-star, let me get it back. Dito na lang para makita. Kahit all-star model ito, hindi ito ginamit ni Kobe during the All-Star game. But ito yung binenta ng Nike during the All-Star weekend. Kobe used a parang red sunset silhouette that time. But this was the model that they sold during that All-Star weekend, and guess what? Siyempre, sold out. And fortunately, I was able to get one. This is my first ever Kobe 6 Pro Throw. Sa wakas, I already completed the trilogy of the best or most worn Kobe shoes in NBA and probably in some other leagues. And meron na akong dalawang Kobe 4. Meron akong dalawang Kobe 5, and this is my first ever Kobe 6. And bonus na rin, I have also 2 Kobe 1. I also have 1 Kobe 8. So in my history of collecting Kobe shoes, this is the most sought after shoes. And for so many years now, ang hirap ko makakuha ng Kobe 6, and this is my first ever. And I got it for retail price, and I was able to get it from the sneaker app. And yun nga, after I purchased it last February 13, dumating din after 7 days. Kasi this pair comes from Singapore pa. So the freight, the transportation, it took more than 7 days to arrive. So yes, this is the Kobe 6 Pro Throw Hollywood All-Star, my first ever Kobe 6 Pro Throw. And I'm happy and glad that meron akong Kobe 6 Pro Throw. And the Kobe Bryant legacy continues with his shoes. And I'm just so happy to have this one. A remembrance also from the from the NBA All-Star weekend this year, 2026. So, the Kobe Bryant legacy continues. Thank you for watching and keep playing basketball, everyone. Bye!